Well, hello there, boys and girls. Are you ready to go on a vocabulary learning adventure with Mrs. Brew today? I thought, what better way to learn these vocabulary words than being out in the wilderness? Did you hear that? Maybe this wasn't a great idea after all. Let's get out of here. Do you know what animal was making those noises in the forest? If you guessed a wolf, you are correct. And wolf is our first vocabulary word. So what is a wolf? It is a wild animal similar to a dog. It lives and hunts in packs or groups. But please be careful. If you ever see a wolf in the forest, you need to stay away. Even though they kind of look like dogs or come from the dog family, they might not be as friendly as some dogs. Take a look at this wolf howling. They howl to communicate with other wolves. Your next vocabulary word is sheep. What is a sheep? It is an animal with a thick, woolly coat. Check out this cute sheep getting a rub down. Feels so good. Oh, that hits the spot, huh? A lot of people like to use a sheep's coat to make things like clothing, blankets, even maybe rugs or carpets. This vocabulary word has that special CK spelling that we will learn or have learned in foundations class. We can actually sound or tap this one out. Elbows up, tappers up, t, k. Trick is the word, and trick can have a few different meanings. In this case, the man in the video is doing something really cool or excellent. Check out these sick tricks on his skateboard. Oh yeah? I can do that. Woo! But a trick could also be something done to surprise or confuse someone, kind of like magicians who do magic tricks. Check out the man in the video. Now, is he really removing his thumb? No way! He's just positioning his hands and fingers in a way to make it seem like it. If you'd like to learn how to do this magic trick, you can get an adult to help you. Type in the YouTube link below to see a video on how to do it. And sometimes it's fun to pull a trick or a prank on somebody else to surprise or confuse them. Kind of like when Mrs. Murphy gave me a nice cold glass of water that had a fake spider in an ice cube. Or when one of the students in Mrs. Bailick's class had me open a box with a fake spider that flew out of it. Check out the video of this cute puppy playing a prank on his owner. Now, I'm sure this didn't really happen in real life because usually puppies don't pull pranks or tricks. Those aren't really coffee beans. Yuck! That sneaky little pup. And finally, for your last vocabulary word, or I should say phrase, we have once upon a time. It is to tell something that happened in the past. It's common at the beginning of some stories, such as fables like Jack and the Wolf, or one of my personal favorites, the fairy tale Beauty and the Beast. Let's review these vocabulary words or phrases once more. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can match the definition or meaning to its vocabulary word. Okay, it's time to check your work. So for the first one, something really cool or excellent would be a trick. To tell something happened in the past, it's common at the beginning of some stories, is once upon a time. An animal with a thick woolly coat, that would be a sheep. A wild animal similar to a dog, it lives and hunts in packs or groups, that's a wolf. And then finally, something done to surprise or confuse someone. That too is a trick. So, sheep, how do you think these first grade boys and girls did today? He's giving you 2 thumbs up. Keep up the great work. Hope you enjoy the story.